But when push comes to shove, what we've really got are just really banging cocktails that are a lot of fun to enjoy and a great atmosphere. Charlie Parker's is a speakeasy kind of prohibition style cocktail bar with no front door, so a little tricky to find, but that's half the fun, right? Hey, I'm Andrew. We're here at Charlie Parker's, a cocktail bar on Oxford Street down in the Paddington precinct. I started bartending what is nearly 6 or 7 years ago. I started out at a tequila bar as a glassy. I crawled my way up from the bottom, and the way I proved myself to get onto the bar was by tasting all the spirits on the back bar, creating a flavor profile of them all and learning all of their stories. We take a plant-to-glass approach with all of our cocktails here. We've got a rooftop garden in which we grow a variety of herbs we like to incorporate in all of our drinks. Say, for example, oregano, which we use in our drink, called the oregano. We also use pineapple sage, a variety of sage that we use in our drink called, surprisingly, the pineapple sage. As well with the beehives, we get fresh honey from up there, which we like to incorporate in our drinks, as well as a sweetening agent. So it's just really cool to have control of a lot of elements and see where everything comes from. It's a really gorgeous spot. The fit out itself really keeps true to the original infrastructure and what was here before. I mean, Paddington's got tons of rich history to it. Everything's developed a little bit of a patina, a natural wear and tear, which I think adds to the authenticity of the venue. What I'm cooking here is a drink we call the chili cucumber, with a bit of tequila and mezcal. We round it out with some pandan and cucumber, and sweeten it with some honey from the hive as well. Oh my God. Salute. But in seasons to come, we're really looking forward to what we can try next. We put in all the hard work so that you can sit back, relax. Even then, we do table service here, so you don't even need to move a muscle. It's really cool here. It's fun to drink here, it's fun to work here. I mean, when the drinks taste like this, what can go wrong?